Good evening, my name is Harold, and I have installed different and various hardware in the expansion slots. One of the first things I installed was the PCI Express graphics card, and you can see it's installed here, crosshair, and I have the monitor hooked up to it, as you can see, and the monitor up there. And you can see it's working properly, so it was installed. Let's see, next thing was to show that the card was working properly, which it is. And also for the audio card, which is installed right above it actually. That's the graphics card, and that's the audio card. And if I turn up the volume, you can hear that. Signal looks like it's skipping a little bit though. And then the next thing I installed was the cable card, which is our antenna. So that's picking up the signal for the live TV that we're watching there. And that's everything that I installed.